Hello, and welcome to my channel, Zippo Lion's Den. I'm figuring, since it's close to 2022 Founders Day, I'd show you what they came out with in 2021 for Founders Day. As you can see, Founders Day, Founders Day, same on the back. 49629 Founders Day. And this is actually a really nice black ice Zippo. If it'll focus on the bottom. GGB 2021. It's actually really nice. April 2021, D being April. And it has the imprint of what his signet ring would have been, of which I'm told the current president has one like it, and it's the inverse stamp, so you see it in reverse. Founders Day, founded June 5th, 1932. And that was the one, that was the regular one. You know, it's special edition, but it's like one that, you know, you could actually afford it. And here is the special Founders Day. 49631 Founders Day Collectible. Nice little fancy box. And this one is actually gold plated, limited edition. If it will focus, probably not. There we go. Same reverse stamp of the signet ring. Founders Day, limited edition. June 5th, 1932, gold plated. And these were actually limited production runs. Like I have number 9,118 of 10,000. So they only made 10,000 of these. Gold plated case. And also gold plated insert. Which is January 2021. A being January. Not really sure if it was worth the $200 price tag that they had for it, but I bought one anyway, and I like it. It's a nice addition to my collection, and if you're able to get one at a good price, hey, why not? I guess this year they're coming out with a 540 Zippo for Founders Day, which would be really cool to get as well. And these are the two Founders Day Zippos from 2021. The regular one, special edition, and the limited edition, gold plated. Hope you like what you see. If you do, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell. Anything you can do will help. Have a good day.